How to save Twitch Steam VODs called VODs on your Steam or Twitch account. For this, what you have to do is open your browser on your PC and click on the Google search bar and search for Twitch. Then you have to click on official Twitch website, log in with your email ID and your password on your Twitch. After logging into your account, you will see this option in front of you, that is your home screen of your PC right now. And from here, what you have to do is click on the right top of the screen, that is my profile icon, and then roll to the third option, that is creator dashboard. After clicking on the creator dashboard, you will see a long menu of settings in front of you on the left side. But on the left, what you have to do, click on the Steam Manager option, as you can see on the second number, that is Steam Manager, or we will click on the settings, then click on Steam setting here. Scroll down and here there is store past broadcast and VOD setting in front of you. You have to enable it, and if you want to enable it or if you want to disable it, you can do the same from the same menu we are on right now. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.